The key for Chevy Trax 2017. All right. Okay guys, we got the ignition switch out, so now we're gonna read the code that's down here. We'll cut the key and then we program. Cut. Be very careful. Probably wouldn't put the code on this one, it's a new one, but it happens. We got the codes. Now we put them in the machine. We cut the test key. It's all flush. Now we're gonna go cut the actual key. And now we're gonna go program. Programming is gonna take 10 minutes. That's pretty much what we gotta wait, and after that, I'll be programmed to the car.